Picture this as 4 p.m. on a Friday and your campaign launches Monday. Your boss just asked for that amazing testimonial from last quarter, and you're now diving through Slack and all of its million threads, the old worksheets and spreadsheets you got, and you're wondering if Sarah from design still has that customer quote buried somewhere in your Google Drive. Sound familiar? Well, if you're nodding your head right now, you've definitely experienced what we're talking about, and I just gotta tell you, it can look differently. What if those testimonials that you had could automatically be in your Salesforce, organized and ready to drop into your next campaign? No more asset scavenger hunts, no more delays, none of that. Here's the thing about being a marketing ops manager. You're the engine that makes campaigns actually happen. But when it comes to managing customer testimonials, even the most organized teams hit a wall. Social proof gets scattered, buried, Slack messages forgotten in old spreadsheets, lost in Notion docs, or sitting in someone's personal Google Drive folder that they some reason put on a thumb drive. I don't even know how that happens, but you know, the thing really is annoying, and it stings when those golden testimonials do come in and there's no clear path from, wow, great feedback, to, hey, we should put this in our campaign, right? Yeah, no, it's in there. And then launches get delayed while everyone scrambles to find the quotes. It's just a mess. Nobody likes this. Conversions go down. They could have gone up. But what if I told you there's a way to completely eliminate this testimonial chaos? Today, I'm going to show you how Testimonial.to can transform your testimonial workflow. We're going to set up an automated system that pulls every new testimonial, whether it's text or video, directly into your Salesforce instance the moment it's submitted. No more manual handoffs, no more hunting through random folders, and definitely no more last-minute scrambles for social proof. By the end of this video, you're going to have fresh, campaign-ready testimonials flowing automatically into your marketing stack, and your team will finally stop asking, where'd that quote go? All right, let me show you exactly how this works. We're going to build this step by step, and I'll show and walk you through a few different ways to capture and manage testimonials that'll make your life so much easier. First, let's get you set up with a new Testimonial.to space. After you've registered to our product, we're going to head to the dashboard. On the right-hand side, you'll see create a new space. So we can click on that, and now you'll see the create a new space pop-up modal appear. To learn more about setting up your space properly, we actually have some previous videos on this topic that dive deeper into the customization options. Once your space is ready, we're going to click on options in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu that appears, select add a text. Perfect. A pop-up window just appeared, and you'll want to locate the testimonial content field. This is where we're going to paste our customer review. Now, here's where it gets a little interesting. Let's go to your Salesforce profile page and copy the text of a review you want to use. For this demo, I'm going to use this testimonial. The team at Rise Productive has nothing but professional, highly responsive, and quite talented at the service they provide. I can recommend it to everyone. Thank you, RB team. Let's paste this text into the testimonial content field. Now we'll click the name field and enter the company name. I'm going to go with Rise Productive Services. You'll notice that underneath there's an upload your user's photo field, so we can select file, choose one, and a window is going to pop up where you can select an image from your computer. For example, I'm going to use John Doe, that photo. Next, we'll select a date for the review, and you can choose whatever makes sense for your timeline. I'm choosing August 1st, 2025. Next up is a key step. In the tag section, we're going to open the drop-down menu and select Salesforce. This tag will be crucial for our automation later. Finally, let's click that blue Add It button. Great. You can now see the new testimonial appearing in your space page. And here's something I love about this system. If you ever need to make changes, you can always edit it later. Just click the drag and drop down arrow in the bottom right corner and select Edit from the list of features. There's an even faster way to capture testimonials. This is where things can get really smooth for busy marketing ops teams. After you've installed the browser extension from our tool, you can just go to your Salesforce profile page, and when you see a review you want to capture, simply double left click on the review and then right click to bring up your options. In the menu, you'll hover over the testimonial option and then select AI extract from selected field. This is honestly one of my favorite features because it just saves so much time and it's no fuss. You'll see a window that appears over the selected text, and you can place the window over the selected text and then click the check mark on the right side of the window. And extracting with AI notification is going to pop up. Just wait until it finishes processing. When the new window appears, review the text in the field. You should see the team at Rise Productive has been nothing but professional, highly responsive, and quite talented at the service they provide. I can recommend it to everyone. Thank you, RP team. In the name field underneath, let's type in the company name. I'm going with Rise Productive Services again. For the upload user's photo field, we'll select choose file and pick an image from our computer. As an example, just like I said earlier, we could do John Doe photo again. So we're almost done. In the spaces selection field, refresh this with a reload. And then when the list appears, select your space page, that Rise Productive one from earlier. And the select tags field will select Salesforce, and it's going to keep everything organized and automation ready. Finally, we're going to check mark the add to my wall of love box and then hit that sweet blue continue button at the bottom. When this final window appears, simply click add. Now comes the part where your testimonials start working for you automatically. Let's create an embedded wall of love for your website. From your space page, we're going to click embed widgets in the left-hand pane. At the top of the list, you'll see wall of love. So let's click that. And the pop-up that appears, I'm going to select carousel slider at the far right, and this creates a nice dynamic display for your site. An embed wall of love window will appear. Underneath the code field, we can click tag and select Salesforce. Do you see how tagging paid off? Definitely worth it. At the top of the settings field, let's select basic, then check mark the remove testimonial branding box. Just remember that this feature is only available with the premium plan. We'll also check mark the one row in the slide box for a cleaner look. Now here's something really cool. In the settings field, let's select AI style and choose the generate from the text field option. In the prompt field, let's write something like futuristic design with neon lights, blue and purple rounded corners, and a female avatar. This is where you can get creative and match your brand aesthetic. You can click generate style and watch as the AI creates a custom design for your testimonials. Take a look at the live preview. Pretty impressive, right? When you're happy with how it looks, click copy code in the bottom right corner. Now head over to your website and paste this code into the HTML editor from your website builder. Click on save and close. Let me show you what this system looks like in action. Since we set up this automated sync with Salesforce, something amazing is going to happen. Our campaign lead times have dropped 30%. We're launching faster with sharper messaging, and our team has completely stopped asking, hey, where'd that quote go? Why? Because we have all of this set up, and when a new testimonial comes in, it automatically flows into our campaign system with all the metadata that we need. No more manual work, no more forgotten quotes. The webhook events push every submission directly into Salesforce the moment they're received. And if you set up an AI prompt like Campaign Copy Booster, you can instantly generate short, on-brand versions of each testimonial that are perfect for email landing pages or media. This means your marketing team always has fresh, approved, and campaign-ready quotes at your fingertips without chasing anyone or slowing down production. Are you ready to stop hunting for testimonials and start syncing them automatically? Make sure to connect testimonial.to to Salesforce today and try out our product by clicking the link down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.